This week inside Crust and Crumb Academy, we're baking pizza, and we're starting with the New York slice. Here's something most people never think about. That foldable slice you know from the sidewalk, the one you bend down the middle and eat on the move, it didn't start that way. Pizza came to New York as immigrant food. And then the city got hold of it and turned it into a language all its own. It started in the coal oven. Italian immigrants brought pizza to New York. But the early pizzerias leaned on these massive coal ovens that were built for baking bread first. That fierce heat made a soft, whole pie. Delicate, blistered at the edge, something you ate right there at the table, right away. Nobody was carrying this pie down the street. It wasn't built to travel yet. Then the gas deck oven changed the rules. The coal oven gave you rapid, intense heat, a soft center. Eat it now. The gas deck worked differently. Slower, steadier heat coming up through the stone. Lower temperature, longer bake. And that dried the crust out, just enough to make it sturdy. Sturdy enough to sit out. Sturdy enough to reheat. That one shift in the oven is where slice culture really begins. But the slice wasn't only shaped by heat, it was shaped by the city itself. By rent, by workers, by the lunch break. Think about what that slice had to do. It had to be baked dry enough to survive sitting out and reheating for a fast lunch. It had to be flexible enough to bend and eat while you're walking down the sidewalk. And it had to be strong enough to carry the weight of sauce and cheese without falling apart in your hand. That's 3 jobs at once. And the fold became the city's edible handle. High rent and fast movement meant the food had to move with you. The slice answered. So here's your dough this week. We're building a dough that bends without breaking. Strong flour to build the structure that carries the toppings. The right hydration so the crust stays flexible when you fold it. And an overnight cold rest so you get that deep flavor before the bake ever starts. When you stretch your dough this week, you're not just making lunch, you're making a piece of history. This is just one of 3 pizzas we're baking this week. New York style, sourdough Neapolitan, and a kid's personal pan pizza, so the little ones get their own dough and their own pizza to be proud of. Want to keep up with all of it? Open RecipePantry.app and search the word pizza. Every one of them pops right up. Join us this week in Crust and Crumb Academy, where we don't just give you a recipe, we teach you why the dough does what it does, and we bake it together. Come bake with us.